What's the best diet for you? Ta'alofa, and hello from American Samoa. My name is Stan Efferding, and I'm coming to you today from the driving range at Iliili Golf Course, overlooking the South Pacific Ocean and surrounded by lush, green, 2,000-foot-high volcanic mountains. One of the many beautiful sights to see on this tropical island paradise. Now this is part one of a 5-part series to help you lose weight and feel great. Today's question is one I get asked quite often. What's the best diet? The answer is actually quite simple, but you'd never know it from listening to the endless barrage of diet information on TV, radio, social media, or from anyone you may have asked. There have been thousands of studies comparing hundreds of diets, and for good reason. Obesity rates have skyrocketed over the last 50 years, and premature deaths from obesity-related diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes, have reached epidemic proportions. It probably won't surprise you to hear that no one diet has emerged supreme for weight loss. They all work. Most people who go on a diet, any diet, lose weight. This should come as good news because it means there are many paths to the same destination. Unfortunately, the vast majority of dieters gain most, if not all, of the weight back. So the question I'm often asked is, what's the best diet? And the answer I always give, the one you'll follow. Simple, but not easy. It's clear that long-term dietary adherence is the riddle that to date has not yet been solved. That's why I coined the term, compliance is the science. The real challenge is adhering to the diet long-term. That's why the best diet isn't something you go on and off. It should become part of your lifestyle, something that's simple, sensible, and sustainable. In my next video, I'll show you why there's really only 3 types of diets. For coaching or other services I provide, be sure to check out the links below. And if you want to learn more about the island, or maybe come play around a golf with me sometime, you'll also find a link to the American Samoa Visitors Bureau. See you next time. Wa'apatai.